It's 2025 and you don't still know how to cornrow your hair. This video is for you. My hair is really dirty, but I'm not ready to wash it yet, and don't act like we are not all guilty of that. But anyway, first things first, I have to divide my hair into 2 equal sections so that my cornrows can be straight. Start off by splitting your hair into 3 parts. That is the front part of your hair, where you are starting your braid from. Split it into 3 parts like that. Then cross through the middle and grab the hair from left to right, then from right to left. Then as you keep on braiding down, just keep adding hair to those 3 strands and continue braiding it down, right to left, left to right. Keep on adding hair and just going down. And there you have it. Let me know if you want me to make more tutorial videos like this in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.